Car hater here, driving a new but old Cherokee, Grand Cherokee. Very odd. Seems pretty peppy. Very responsive. Then again, I'm getting out of my older S4. Wow, the brakes, just everything about it. I believe this thing is like definitely might be a 22, believe it or not, or a 21. And I remember when my friend over there in front of us was buying this thing, he's like, yeah, I'm getting the old shape even though the new shape was in. I tell you, the screen is a lot nicer. It's got that revised look. Let me see. Yeah, it's a lot more responsive too, it seems. One thing about like Chryslers and stuff, they certainly do have a lot of features in the system now. What is this called? The U connector or whatever? Yeah. If I'm not mistaken. Oh wow, what is this? Off-road pages. I haven't driven a Cherokee in a while. I'll tell you, it does. The steering is super, super light. I see the response time on this road. There we go. Off-road page is a little slow. All right. So what does that mean? Oh wow, pitch and roll. That's pretty hot. Let's see the vehicle dynamics. Yo, this thing is super responsive with the steering. Accessory gauges. I'll tell you, Dodge to all the gauges. I like that sort of thing. This thing in the middle, it's all about gas mileage, I guess. The gauges, the middle gauge looks like it's totally fake. The other ones, yeah, they have real needles. So it's got a little bit of everything, which is pretty cool. I don't know. It's not, not bad, comfy or whatever. I don't know. Driving it, it's American. It's cool. Feels a little strange. Like, I don't know. It's a little, you're not really connected to the road. I guess that's what it is. Everything feels like brake-by-wire maybe or something. Even like steering by wire. Who the hell knows what's going on here? But it just feels a little off to me. I guess you just got to get used to it. But that's my first driving impression of driving this thing for as long as I'm doing this video. So, quick car hater. Figured I'd do it. I don't even know if they make this model anymore or not. Let me know in the comments below. I have no idea. I'm a little bit off on this one. I know the new one, but I have to be honest, I see a ton of this shape on the road. This is like where I live, Staten Island Special, and all people that drive Cherokees are real douchebags. They're very aggressive drivers. They're idiots on the road. So I guess I blend right in with this Cherokee driving, because I'm an Audi driver. There you go.